up, guys? It's Fat Boy R6 here. Beautiful Sunday afternoon. The one thing I want to talk about, man, it kind of irritated me. So Friday night when I was on my way home, I was on I-70, and we had a right in front of me, like 25 yards, maybe 20 yards in front of me, we had a motorcyclist. He got in my lane. He actually passed me and then got back into my lane, and so he was about 25 yards in front of me, and then he was trying to pass a semi-truck. And when he passed the semi-truck, you know, I don't know if it was the backdraft of the truck or what, but he passed the truck, and before, I mean, not even before he passed the truck, like as soon as he got into the lane to pass, his rear end started fishtailing, and I was like, man, this does not look good. And I just kept an eye on him, and I was kind of like, okay, what's gonna happen? Because it happened so quick that when I blinked my eye, he ended up in the ditch, and there was a minivan behind him, and it all happened so fast that I swore I thought that minivan had hit him. So I pulled over, got out of my vehicle, and I went over there and checked on him. And it just pisses me off that somebody who had an accident like that, and all these people just drive by. Like, that stuff irritates the crap out of me. Like, have the respect to, you know, you see something like that happen, like, pull over and check them out. So I got out and checked him out, and, you know, and I make sure he was trying to get up, and I told him not to move until the EMS came, because if he had some kind of a internal injury or something like that and he was trying to move around, I mean, it's never a good sign when somebody's going that fast and they hit a ditch. And I mean, just the force of that is just, I mean, but yeah, I just went ahead and called 911, got the EMS out there. You know, I talked to him for a little bit, you know, make sure he was doing all right, you know, and I just tried to keep him calm until EMS showed up. So just, I mean, please, guys, if you see an accident or something like that happen, man, go out and, you know, check the person out, make sure they're okay. Like, I've seen so many people, because if I've seen it, I know the people behind me seen it, and they just continue to drive on. So that's the stuff that irritates me. But anyways, the guy's doing all right, man. I caught him about 2 hours after it happened. You know, and he had a long ways to go, man. He wasn't from Kansas. He was from another state, and he just, you know, I caught him to make sure he was okay and stuff, and he's doing fine. The bike's not good, but the bike's replaceable. But yeah, I mean, that's just the thing that gets me, is people just watch other people get hurt. You know, don't even stop to check and make sure the person's all right, man. So I think I did my good deed for the day, or that night, so it's all good. Man, this is a nice little Sunday afternoon stroll, man. But yeah, man, just you know, and it goes for, you know, people who are riding on bikes too, man. It's not just the people who you know, people in cars that cause accidents. This was just a freak accident, man. It was a little windy that day, and you know, and whatever caused him to swivel like that and lose control, man, is beyond me. But I seen it, you know, I had that front row seat to it, so it was crazy. Hey, what's up, dude? On your little moped. Oh, man. I know my wife's talking about, she wants to get a moped so she can ride with me. whatever, you know, she gotta learn somewhere. Yeah, I tried to put her in the when I had my CBR, I tried to put her on that, and it was a big learning curve for her. I basically told her, you know, if you can ride a four-wheeler, you can ride a bike, you know. I mean, the only difference is you're on a four-wheeler, you're on 4 wheels, and a bike, you're on 2 wheels. So she just gotta learn how to balance the bike, you know. I think her main problem is that she only 5'1", so 5'2" maybe. And the CBR, you know, she was tippy-toeing that, but I was thinking more in the lines of like a R3 or something like that to get her started on, you know, because I don't know, man, it's just, I think it'd be a perfect start bike for her. But since she don't want to be on since she don't want to really want a bike right now, I just hooked her up with a moped. I know it'd be funny as shit looking at that moped and a crotch rocket, but hey,